show you numbers in a different way. Making maths fun with Twinkl and Numicon.
Hello, I'm Claire from PlayHOORAY.
Hello everybody, I'm Mason and I am 6.
Well done. And today we are going to show you a brilliant activity you can do at home using Numicon
And a Twinkl
activity sheet. So we've got one here, we've printed it off and we've stuck it together. So we're going to do a game. Okay, so Mason, what animal can you see?
So it's a fish swimming in the sea.
Well done. Yes, with some coral and some bubbles. And we are going to use this today. And what I'd like you to do is see if you can fill in the outline of the fish using the Numicon shape. So can you show me how it's done?
So first we start with the tail. That's always the important bit.
Very good. Now, what I've done here for Mason is I've set up this activity using the shapes that's required for the task. However, if you wanted to make it a little bit harder, perhaps you could try adding more of the shapes, so it's a bit problem solving, working out which one they need, or you could use one of the Numicon feely bags and then they could feel for the shapes before they use them on the fish. So well done, Mason, you're doing a great job. And here we can see that Mason is practicing his problem solving skills and he's developing his visual and spatial skills as well. Good job. Oh, taking some others.
Yep. That's what you always do.
Do you? Well done. You're doing great. And we're nearly done, nearly finished.
I've only got one part left. I've only got one part left.
Yeah, nearly finished.
So there it is, our finished fish.
Fantastic. Did you enjoy that?
Yep.
Well done.
But we forgot the mouth.
That is the important fish, so he can eat his dinner. Yep. Well done, Mason. Fantastic. Maybe you can have fun trying this one at home too.